Presidential tree. Good boy, Burgle. All right, boys. Stick here. All right. We're going to do a little pocket EDC dump. Let's see. Go quickie. All right. I got a night core. This one is the MT2A Pro. Pretty nice flashlight. It's rechargeable or it takes double A's. I always top that thing off before I go out. Piece of fat wood, fire starter. I have my tool for my pipe. It's got a tamper, it's got something to get the gunk out and a little spoon scoop. These are cheap. Nothing fancy, but it works. I keep it in this little pouch so that tobacco don't get in my pocket. I learned that a while back. But a friend of mine named Duffy gave me that. Thank you, Duffy. I definitely enjoy this pipe. And I got some extra tobacco. My dog whistle. I got a 2-pack of these on Amazon once, and this has been the best one I've ever had. I gave the other one to a friend. But, yeah, really nice. Oh, shouldn't have done that. And also, on the end of it, this is a little Princeton Tech red light. Watch out, you're gonna fire! Knuckleheads. Back it up. Look out! I shouldn't have done it. Yeah, it's got a little red light, little Princeton Tech red light. This thing works out pretty good in a pinch. And I have a little ferrocerium rod with some duct tape wrapped around it for a fire extender. If need be, it also acts as a handle. I always have a few packs of matches just in case my Zippo runs out. Up in this pocket here, I have a couple more sticks of fat wood. and a half-smoked cigar. Got some chapstick. It's that time of year. Little Burt's Bees action. And I have, this is a little pocket sharpener for my knives. It's got a ceramic side and a diamond side, and this thing works pretty darn good. You know, just something to touch my blades up. Usually I don't even need to use the diamond side. I'll just use that ceramic side to kind of hone the blade a little bit. And then I have it in this little duct tape pouch I made. It usually stays in my left pocket. And also, last but not least, I have my trifold knife today. And this knife is freaking awesome. A Tropos makes this blade. I had one of these, man, I was probably 16 years old. It's been over 25 years ago. And I found one of these. My parents took us to Myrtle Beach for a couple weeks for vacation. And, I hear them way off. I remember going in a little cheap knife store. You know, those cheap gas station style knives, but I saw this. And it wasn't this exact one, it was a stainless steel model of, you know, just didn't even have a name brand on it. And I remember the guy showing me how to use it. He said, yep, you know, you just pop it out. So it's called a trifold knife. And way back in the day, they were called safety knives. Now you gotta be careful, and it's really hard to find these. Like I searched for one of these I've been searching for one for years. And I always would get on eBay, and finally, I got one. Finally one popped up, and it's from I believe this knife brand this company is out of Russia, a Tropos. But they have one of these for sale on their website. I don't know if I'd trust trying to get the knife or not. Shipped out of Russia. I don't even know if you can get stuff shipped out of Russia anymore. And then they also do butterfly knives. But I'm more into this trifold. Really cool knife. So that's one knife I have on me. And it came with this little slip pouch, so I keep it in my pocket like that. You know, it's not for like quick access, quick draw, tactical BS, you know. It's just more, you know, something cool to pull out if I need to open up something, package, cut a little cardboard. And the steel is actually, well, it says it's K110, which is a better version of D2 steel. So, I don't know. I believe it really is. But, yeah. So, that's how this knife is. It's just it's a tri-knife, tri-fold. So, it folds into a 3. So I have that knife on me. And I guess this isn't in my pocket, but it's on my belt. Y'all saw the video on this Microtech stitch. This got what they call a ram lock. So those are 2 blades I have on me this morning. I actually don't even have a fixed blade on me. And then, you know, I got a couple mags on this side. And I got my 43X on that side. So that's it. That's what I'm carrying out for my little walk with my dogs this morning. Knife sharpener, half-smoked cigar, trifold knife. You up to no good? Back it up. All right, trifold knife, fat wood, got some pipe tobacco, got my pipe tool, got my pipe, more. This always stays in my pocket, that piece of fat wood. I got this night core, MT2A Pro, rechargeable, dog whistle, Princeton Tech red light, got my Zippo, chapstick, ferro rod, matches, keys, dog leash. Appreciate y'all watching. Catch you on the next one. See ya!